Hi, I'm Ryan Nickel, CTO at DSA, and today I want to show you how you can quickly adjust the mooring you're working with to the water depth you want when you're working with the subsurface and surface mooring templates. So we have a blank Proteus project we're working with, and actually we're going to start working with the subsurface mooring template. This makes a bunch of settings for us automatically and generates a quasi-static cable for us to work with. In the visualizer, you can see it here. We'll just show the water depth reference surface there as well. That's helpful. Okay, but it starts off at a water depth of 100. We'll say we want to work with a 500 meter water depth. So we change the water depth, and you can see the water depth shift in the visualizer, and the mooring is then, it's fixed on the bottom, but it's not lined up to the new water depth we've selected. So how do we change that? Well, let's click on quasi-static cable, and then we can adjust its state by clicking on the state button. In this new dialog that appears, what we want to do is adjust the geometry of the system. We're not going to touch the elements of the material properties, which are the lower part of the dialog. So we click on Edit to start editing the geometry. We've got overall length. We're not going to change that. We want to keep that the same. And we know that node N is the anchor, so we want this to be at 500. Now, it's handy to work with offsets. What we want to do is pick node N as our reference because we know that's our anchor position. And then we know that the whole cable length is 72, so we're just going to put -72 there, and it'll automatically pick the node 0 position accordingly. So now we go OK, and we go Apply. And if we want to zoom right in on where the mooring is located in space, we can use this little target icon in the visualizer window. Now you can see it's fixed on the bottom, and we're working well in a 500 meter water depth scenario. So that's all I wanted to show. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time.